I'll be showing you guys how to be invisible but look like this. So all you need is postcard that you get for circus map. You have to get tokens, and then you need to I best do it in a micro, and then get a balloon, doesn't matter what colour. I like it's green, so it would be green. Okay, turn into it. Check it in. My balloon, don't need you anymore. And now, all you need to do, now I like to just shotgun. And then it can be anything. Sometimes I like to do rare items. You turn to a rare item. You just do that. It's just a shotgun. If you're trying to get power. I will show a video up in the screen. I'll show a video up of me doing it.
You're running away like a little pussy. You're a fucking bitch. I surrender, please don't kill me, please.